Example solve on derivative. Before we proceed, subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Derivative of parametric function. First example, find dy by dx. If x is equals to 3at square and y is equals to 2at cube. Solution. Consider equation x is equals to 3at square and y is equals to 2at cube. Differentiate with respect to t for both the equation. Then we get dx upon dt is equals to 3a is constant and coefficient, so remain as it is, d by dt t square. Similarly, dy by dt is equals to 2a coefficient remain as it is, d by dt t cube. Therefore, dx upon dt is equals to 3a into bracket 2t and dy by dt is equals to 2a into bracket 3t square. Then dx upon dt is equals to 6at, dy upon dt is equals to 3 to the 6, 6at square. Then dy by dx is equals to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. Dy by dt is equals to 6at square and dx upon dt is equals to 6at. 6a, 6a get cancelled. 1t, 1t get cancelled. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to t is the final result. Next example, if x is equals to e raised to cos 2t and y is equals to e raised to sin 2t. Differentiate with respect to t because x and y variables depends upon t. Then dx upon dt is equals to derivative of e raised to, so remain as it is, e raised to cos 2t into d by dt cos 2t. Using chain rule, on y side dy by dt is equals to e raised to sin 2t into d by dt sin 2t. Then e raised to cos 2t is equals to x into derivative of cos minus sin 2t into 2 and e raised to sin 2t is y into bracket derivative of sin is cos 2t into 2 according to chain rule. Then dx upon dt is equals to minus 2x sin 2t and dy upon dt is equals to 2y cos 2t. Then dy by dx is equals to dy by dt divided by dx by dt is equals to 2y cos 2t divided by minus 2x sin 2t. 2 get cancelled. The final result was minus y upon x cos upon sin cot 2t. Consider next example. If x is equals to a into bracket theta plus sin theta and y is equals to a into bracket 1 minus cos theta. Find dy by dx. Question mark. Now, first write the given equation in parametric form. X is equals to a into bracket theta plus sine theta. Y is equals to a into bracket 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta because variable x and y depends upon theta. Then dx upon d theta is equals to a into bracket dx d theta by d theta 1 plus derivative of sine cos theta. For y side, dy by d theta is equals to a coefficient remain as it is, derivative of constant is 0, derivative of cos minus sine minus minus plus sine theta. Then dy by dx is equals to dy by d theta divided by dx upon d theta. Substituting values of dy by d theta and dx upon d theta in above equation. The value of dy by d theta is a sine theta and the value of dx upon d theta is a into bracket 1 plus cos theta. A get cancelled. Sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. According to trigonometric formulae, sin theta is equals to 2 sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2 and 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta upon 2. Substituting these two formulas, we get 2 sin theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2 divided by 2 cos square theta upon 2. 2 get cancelled. 1 cos get cancelled. Then the remaining term is sin theta upon 2 divided by cos theta upon 2. Sin upon cos is tan. Tan theta upon 2 is the final result. Consider another example. X is equals to a into bracket cos t plus t sin t and y is equals to a into bracket sin t minus t cos t. X and y depends upon third variable t. Therefore, differentiate with respect to t. Dx upon dt is equals to a into bracket derivative of cos minus sin t plus using product rule for t sin t. So, according to product rule, derivative of t is 1. In sin t remain as it is plus t remain as it is and derivative of sin cos t. On y side, dy by dt is equals to a into bracket derivative of sin cos t minus using product rule for t cos t. Derivative of t is 1. 1 cos t remain as it is, so cos t minus t as it is and derivative of cos minus sin t is equals to plus sin minus sin get cancelled, plus cos minus cos get cancelled, a t cos t is the value of dx upon dt and dy upon dt is equals to minus minus plus a t sin t. Then dy upon dt dx is equals to dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. Substituting the value at sin t divided by at cos t. At get cancelled. Sin upon cos is tan. Tan t is the final result.
If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.